Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can reset the network settings on your Brother DCP-T510W. So first, what you guys need to do is click on the menu button here. Now go over to network and here scroll all the way down until you see network reset. Here click OK. Click OK once more, and now here you can easily reset it. Click OK, click yes, and now we need to wait for the printer to turn back on from the restart. So that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.